Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crank the Heart, and I wanted to share a project as well as kind of a new, it's actually not new, style of stamp set. So Inky Antics has been making this type of stamp set for a while. I remember buying them at stamp shows a long time ago. Or what they would do is they used to sell actual templates that you could cut out that do what this stamp does. So basically this stamp, I'm going to undo it so you can kind of see here. It gives you directions. So you're going to stamp this stamp 3 times, utilizing or needing different parts of a stamp depending on how you want your box to look. And so you could do it with a flap or without a flap. I did it with paper that was not double-sided, so you can kind of see the lines, but it was really just kind of figuring out how this sort of template style stamp works. So once you stamp it out 3 times, like the first time you stamp it, it's you use the entire stamp. Actually, I think it's the first 2 times. If you want a window, then you would make sure that the first time you stamped it, you'd be able to cut the window. And then the second time you stamped it, you would probably put like a Post-it note over here to cover that window. So it's important to stamp on the correct side of the paper. You want to stamp on the paper that you're not going to be seeing, because you'll be able to see all of these lines if you don't. And I'll show you that in a second. So you do 2 like that. The third one, you only need this portion. You don't need this top portion. That's for your flap. And this little piece right here folds over and becomes your flap. So, or you'll actually only need one of these sides. So it's just like, okay, so let me show you. So I used paper that I had in my stash. You can see what I mean. If you stamp it on the incorrect side, you end up with all the lines on the paper. So just to give you kind of an idea. And then you can cut out your window. But again, so you can see all the lines for everything. So you want to make sure you stamp on the opposite side of your paper. And, you know, double-sided paper is probably your best bet for this type of project. But I really was just kind of trying to figure out how it worked. So you have your 2 pieces you put together, it creates a box. I didn't close up. I sealed one side, and then the other side of the box I left open so that it could be opened pretty easily. And then you could put a piece of acetate here, or you could put whatever goodie you want to put in here in maybe like a cellophane bag. Like that. And then this one, I actually ended up doing it this way. So this one, I ended up not doing the window. I covered it up so there's no window. And then I just used a piece of scrap paper for this part because I didn't use double-sided paper. And so just decorated the front. It opens up like this. And then one side of the box is not sealed up, so you can put your goodies inside. It's really cute. I think that it would be really also fun for any kind of Happy Meals. If you wanted to send something to a friend, a Happy Meal thing, you could put sequins or little goodies in the box, and it'd be really cute. Candy, of course, is really cute. Inky Antics also sells these little poem stamps and things that fit right here perfectly, like a snowman poop, for example, and then you could put all the ingredients for that in here, marshmallows or whatever. So it's really cute, kind of a fun, sort of different project, a little bit different than a die. I just kind of wanted to do something different. So this I actually got from the Not Too Shabby shop, so you might want to check that out. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Crank the Heart.